ine nabwesa mavota ambiri umene uja chifukwa ine I know for wanganga imakhala yochepa because nthawi zambiri tikamakhala kuti upanga ndale sinimakhala ndi mamonita zokwanira ndingalakhala mamonita zimene amakhala ndi MCP kapena DPP ineyo by every level. Even mamonita zimene ananayo Chilima, you know, would have been the president of this country already. Now you have got a lot of investors in Malawi, but you know that was most about the manifesto. Manifesto imene inalowesa MCP mpower inali ya Chilima kujakatatu basiku. MCP was talking about high five. What does that mean? Now they went on telling people hard zapasana drama. They don't have analuza because they didn't have the manifesto imene mapanga.
Which means mukuvomereza kuti Chilima chanali dolo apa.
I thought Chakwera came in, he didn't understand the whole principle of politics. I think he was too much of a religious guy. Instead of actually leveraging on what DPP was doing and making it better, he created a problem. Chilima had analyzed the situation and he had seen some of what I had written. I'm not saying he copied everything from me, but he understood my talking and he realized what it was all about. I did not join politics because I needed money. I not join politics because I'm unemployed. I joined politics because I want people like you and others to understand what is making Malawi not develop.
Was Tonse Alliance really meant to change things in Malawi, or was this a marriage of convenience that was said to oust DPP government then?
No, I think to say fair, my neighbors were fooled.
The agreement was that he, or rather, Chakwera should run for 5 years, and then 5 years in, azabange iwo malema Chilima, and his have been disputed. And was a dispute MCP and as a dispute. The Mafuna Nive from someone that was in the Tonse Alliance. What was the truth behind the Tonse Alliance?
What was Chilima? Chilima?
Yeah, we're not trying to point who the problem was.
You have to be honest. No.
We want.
No. To be brought in from nowhere to a vice president in a party where everybody is a vulture is not a joke, my friend. But Chilima was lucky.